Have you ever been in an interview and you wanted to say something very important and boom, you just forgot? Or you were in a meeting and you wanted to say something crucial and it just disappears? Or you're chatting up with your friends and you're just like him. If that happens over and over and over again, then such a person is at the risk of dementia in the later time of his life. But don't worry, that's not a problem. Before I continue, just remember that you can always call me the mayor. Okay. One thing you should know is that in nature, God has embedded almost every secret in nature, in your food, your plants, and the likes like that. And so, a research was done in Harvard in 2023, and they found out something interesting, that blueberries reduce the risk of dementia largely. And I'm like, wow. Okay, so another study was done, in the United States in the University of Cincinnati, and they did human trials and asserted the same claim that blueberries reduce the risk of dementia. How does this really happen? Now, this is how it happens. This contains, apart from the, other nutrients, it contains, flavonoids and the likes like that. It contains one major phytochemical, which is called anthocyanins. This one now contains 60% anthocyanins, and the anthocyanins is responsible for the blue color that you can see. So what happens when I eat this? Anthocyanins goes to my brain, and when it goes to my brain, it becomes abundant in the hippocampus and in the neocortex. Now these ones are part of the brain, and they are responsible for cognitive functions. And what are cognitive functions? These are functions, the normal functions that make you want to gain knowledge, want to solve problems, normal functions that make you think. So when I eat this, it enhances the neural signaling. It enhances my cognitive functions. Does that make sense? So the more I take this, the more it enhances the way I think, the way I remember things, the way I capture signals. So the story is simple. Why not try it out? Instead of taking your junks, just take this out. Something is happening there. Remember, every investment in your health would always count. Remember, you can always call me the mayor.